one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic. I see a darkened sky, and yet amidst this darkened sky there is a beautiful rainbow, a rainbow that shines so brightly. The Lord says, I'm giving you reminders of my promises. I'm giving you reminders of the things which I have spoken over your life. For I am the Lord who is faithful and true. Even when the storms come, my promises have a greater power, a greater strength. Even when it seems as if things are moving in the opposite direction, bring to mind my promises. For I am the Lord who does the impossible. It would not be impossible if it was easy. I am the one who is bringing you into that place of breakthrough, that place where circumstances are turned around for good. I am with you and I am for you. I'm giving you reminders today of my promises, reminders of my loving kindness. For I am the Lord who turns situations around for good. I am the Lord who reminds you of my promises in the moment when you need it most. I am faithful and I am true. Do not be afraid. I see a needle and thread, and the Lord says, trust me, that I'm weaving together the details of your life. I'm sewing things together in a way that only I can do. For I take care of every hidden detail. I take care of the things which no one else sees or understands. I love you, and I take care of you. I'm bringing things together seamlessly. I'm bringing them together perfectly. Allow me to work. Allow me to bring healing. Allow me to bring wholeness. Allow me to restore and to mend, to make new and to make whole. For I'm bringing things together for you in a way that will surprise you, a way that will amaze you, a way which only I could do. I'm taking care of every detail, taking care of the things which no one else sees. Put your hope in me, put your trust in me anew, for I am the Lord who is with you. I am the Lord who is faithful. I'm fanning into a flame the dreams and desires of your heart. I'm fanning into a flame that which I've placed inside of you from the very beginning. I see the embers of a fire that once burnt strong, and yet now it is just the embers. But I see the wind blowing upon those embers, and it bursting into fire anew. For the Lord says, I am empowering you by my Spirit. I'm empowering you by my hand. You will see my hand at work. You will see my faithfulness revealed. For I am the Lord who is with you. What has felt lifeless and dead is being filled with new life. What has seemed as if it is almost dead is being resurrected. For I am the Lord who turns circumstances around. I am the Lord and I am with you. Do not be afraid, but draw close, draw near in this time and in this season. For I am doing a new work. I'm going above and beyond, doing that which is extraordinary for you. You will see and you will know my faithfulness. You will see and you will know that I am the Lord who is empowering you, the Lord who is strengthening you, the Lord who leads you forward in victory and in peace. I see birds in the air, birds flying back at the end of the winter. And when you see the birds in the air, you know that the seasons are changing. You know that circumstances are turning around. For the Lord says, I am bringing change, I'm bringing transformation. Watch and see, for I'm giving you signs of my goodness in this day, signs of my hand at work in your life. For what has seemed impossible is being shown to be possible. What has seemed to be lifeless is being brought to life anew. I'm turning situations around, I'm turning them around for good. You will see and you will know that I am the Lord. You will see and you will know that I am good. For I am the one who is redeeming, the one who is restoring, the one who is making whole and new. Faithful I have been, and faithful I will continue to be. For I am with you and I am for you. I'm blessing you again, I'm filling you anew in this day. I am with you, making all things new, making all things whole. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.